we are going to discuss about filters in Power BI. How to use filters in Power BI. So here there is a filter tab before the visualization. There is a filter tab. Here we have categories. Filter on this page, filter on all the pages. Now I didn't select anything. So normally it will show like filter on this visual, filter on all the pages. When I'm clicking this particular graph, it will display like three categories, right? One is filter on this visual, filter on this page, and filter on all the page. In this filter, we have three categories. One is filter on this visual, filter on this page, filter on all the pages. What it will do? So filter on this visual is nothing but because now we have selected this particular graph, it is representing this particular graph. Now in this filter on this visual category, it is showing a product, right? Here I want to select, I don't want to show everything. I want to show only appliances and mobile and TV. I don't want to show furniture and laptop. Then I'm removing these things in filter on this visual. Then what happened? It was removed from this particular visual only. See, first visual is showing only mobile TV appliances, but the second visual is showing mobile TV, laptop, appliances, furniture. When if I go to next page also everything is visible, but only in this visual only the selective values are filtered because I have filtered on this visual category. Okay. So if you want to filter only this particular graph, you can choose the graph and you can apply the filters inside of this category. Okay. This is first point. And second one is, now I'm removing the filter. And second one is filter on this page. Filter on this page, what it will do. So I'm applying the filter in this filter. So I'm just drag and drop the column and I'm just filtering and removing furniture and laptop. Now see, in this I have selected filter on this page category, right? So in this page, how many graphs I have? In all the graphs, it will display only mobile TV appliances related to this particular category. So if I use this category in my visual, in this visual, that furniture and laptop was removed. It will show only mobile TV and appliances. See here, before it was removed only first graph. Now it was removed even second graph also, mobile TV appliances. Even if I apply one more graph in this particular sheet, so I'll just minimize it and I'll apply one more graph. In that graph also, it will display only mobile TV appliances. See, because we have filtered on this page. In this page, whatever you are applying, it will show only mobile TV appliances. Okay, this is second point. And third category is filter on this visual. Now, so the second next page, it will display all the values in filter on this all the pages. Now I'm removing all those things. And third point is filter on all the pages. It means the filter will apply all the pages. So for example, I'm just drag and dropping the column and I'm removing the furniture and laptop. Then what happened? It will remove this particular page, not only this particular page, all the pages. So next page you can go to see, you can go and see the next page, only it will show mobile TV appliances. If you go on next page, if I'm applying one of the graph, Then here also it will show only mobile TV appliances. Why? Because I have filter on all the pages. Okay, that's why this filter applied in all the pages. So if you don't want the filter, then you can remove it. The entire data will reflect in all the pages. Mobile TV, mobile TV, appliances, everything will list out. Okay, why? Where it will work? Especially, some of the product are temporarily stopped, or so temporarily I want to remove something in the visualization. Then at that time we can use this filter on all the pages and we can remove. Or especially if you want to remove only specific visual, then you can use filter on this visual area and you can apply filter. Or only particular page you want to change, then you can choose only that particular page you want to filter it. Okay.